He flips a coin in the air. They pull a rope in a game. She rolls dough on the table. We mix colors on a palette. He jump over small rocks. She stirs soup in the pot. He rubs his face with hand. They opens a shiny envelope. She push a wheelchair. We clap for the winning team. He wipes raindrops from the window. She hums while brushing her hair. They pull a rope in a game. We slice apples for the pie. He kicks a can on the road. She plants flowers in a pot. They row a boat across the lake. I fold a blanket neatly. We stack books on the shelf. She shakes hands with a friend. They wave from the bus window. He blow air into balloons. He digs a hole in the ground. I place candles on the cake. She sweeps dust off the porch. He flips pancakes in the pan. She stirs sugar into tea. He rings bells at the door. I carry water in a jug. She opens a box of toys. We ride bikes along the river. Kids jump over the hurdles. They set a table for lunch. I pack clothes into a suitcase.
He blow the candles.